I just took this out of the living room yesterday and I was going to put it away. But I figured while we have it out, let's throw it up here in the kitchen for a day and see how it looks and see how it performs. At some point, I do intend to put 3 of these in here at once after I get the controls installed, which will likely take place in maybe February. So here's the apparatus, and the screws are missing. Not good. Oh, here they are. They're not missing. Ironically, the wiring in this box just broke yesterday. Which is ironic because people keep saying, oh, you should use those stupid Wego connectors instead because they don't break the wire. You know, which is valid, but I just don't like those things. And now the wire broke. Well, that's an interesting predicament. It looks like there we go, the piece moved over. I hope this screwdriver never breaks. This thing is perfect for this kind of work because it applies just the right amount of torque. Okay. So I am also going to use the stupid Wego connectors here just because I know this wire is flaky. It's already broken. In all due reality, these things are probably fine for very low current applications like this, but there is no shot that I would ever trust these for a 20 amp current like they're rated for. Not even tried 1.5 amps going through those things. Now, disappointingly, but not too surprisingly, this is a new piece of wire that we put in when I bought the house, and it only survived, what, 2 fixture changeouts and then it broke? Meanwhile, some of the older wiring that's here, I've changed the fan 10 times and it hasn't broke once. So, unfortunately, that older wire is really breaking down in the attic and in some parts of the walls. So I have to replace it, but there's no doubt that it was better quality. Now, these stupid things might reduce the issue here of the wires breaking, but I just don't really feel like it's as good of a connection. I don't think this is live, but I don't know. Okay, it's not live. Well, this might be the fastest episode of changing the ceiling fan we'll ever see. I thought that other one was from a couple weeks ago, but this one I think topped it. Not even sure, did we break 5 minutes? No, it didn't even break 5 minutes.